Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make an animation like this.
The treasure is mine!
Actually, you dropped it.
This is your fault! You distracted me!
My fault, not my fault!
I'm going in!
Okay, and so there you have it. So what you just saw is a scene from my Pirate Daisy concept. Now, if you look around the internet, you'll find a lot of people teaching you how to do this. But here's the thing, they all look the same, and they all look generic, and they all feel forgettable. But my style tends to stand out a little bit more amongst the rest. At least that's how I personally feel. And a big reason why that is because of the very first step, which is that I create my images that I use in my videos in Midjourney. And this is where I'm gonna plug my course. That's right, I just created my very first course teaching people how to use Midjourney. It's a Midjourney masterclass, how to get the Daisy aesthetic. Now the course itself is not very different from these free tutorials. However, this particular course is just under 30 minutes long, and I show you all the tips and tricks I know inside of Midjourney, all the way to the point that you'll have the exact prompts I use to get the Daisy aesthetic. I show you the steps which you have to take, I show you how to fix images that are not correct, and after taking the course, you'll be able to design and create as many characters with the Daisy aesthetic that you want. I'm giving away my secrets. It's not something that you could find anywhere else on the internet. If you want this Daisy aesthetic style, there's only one place to get it, and it's right here through this course. I've invested thousands of dollars, made over 100,000 images, and it's taken me more than a year to perfect this process. Okay, so that's it about the course. If you want it, great. If not, well, then enjoy the rest of this tutorial. To start, I made my original image in Midjourney, like I mentioned before. I then brought that image over to Higgsfield. Inside of Higgsfield, I took my image and put it in Nano Banana, and I wrote the following sentence. Make a 360 character reference sheet with close-ups, white background, no words. Make sure you have the image from Midjourney selected and that you're using that image as a reference inside of your prompt. Now hit generate. You should end up with an image that looks like this. Now, take that image and your original image and click on the Video tab inside of Higgsfield. Select Seedance 2.0 as your model. Then, upload the two images that you just generated. You'll have to make sure that those images get verified before they're allowed to be used. If they're eligible, it'll add those images as references. Now it's time to make your prompt. Open up a new tab and now go to either ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, or Gemini. You're gonna wanna type the description of the scene that's gonna happen. Or, like in my case, I just asked for a 15-second video about my Pirate Daisy, and I uploaded an image. I said I wanted the story to be funny, and I didn't put any details, and I told it I was gonna use a Seedance 2.0 model. In this situation, I went ahead and let the AI come up with the story itself. I then asked for another 15 seconds to finish the story, and then it gave me a second script. The reason I'm asking for 15 seconds is because that was the max amount of time Seedance 2.0 can create a video. The second to last step is to now take your scenes, copy them, and go back to Higgsfield. Inside of ChatGPT 2 or Nano Banana, paste your script and write the following sentence at the very top. Make a 9-panel storyboard, no words. Here's a 15-second multi-shot scene for Seedance 2.0. The final step inside of Higgsfield, click on the Video tab, and now with the two original images, go ahead and add your storyboard. Then paste in your script as the prompt. Make sure you're on 15 seconds in 1080p. This should cost you about 135 credits as of the making of this video. Hit generate. Repeat these steps in this exact same process for the second half of your video. Now, you should have a total of a 30-second video, fully animated, keeping your character consistent and follows your script that matches your storyboard. Okay guys, well that's about it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. I hope it answered some of your questions. I want you guys to be on the lookout because I plan on making several more videos on how to animate your characters. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!